A Nigerian priest just made a shocking statement that has left social media buzzing. He says anyone who will watch the viral Ibom Air passenger video must go for confession or they have committed a sin. But here's the twist. He says watching it for the first time was completely fine. Father Emmanuel Iyoma has responded to the controversial Ibom Air incident involving passenger Comfort Emanson that went viral across Nigerian social media platforms. During the original incident, Comfort Emanson was involved in a heated confrontation with airline staff and security officials. While being forcibly removed from the aircraft, her clothing was torn and parts of her body were exposed in the recorded footage. Now, Father Iyoma has weighed in with a clear moral position on viewing the footage. According to the priest, there is an important difference between accidentally seeing the compromising content and deliberately choosing to watch it again. In his exact words, Father Iyoma stated, "It wasn't a sin that you saw her nude while watching that video because you didn't expect it, but if you went back to watch it again, you have to go for confession." The priest explained that people who intentionally watched the video without knowing it contained indecent exposure committed no wrongdoing, since they had no way of knowing what they would see. However, he made it clear that anyone who deliberately rewatched the video after realizing it showed the woman in a compromising state has crossed a moral line and should seek confession. Father Iyoma's statement has added a religious perspective to the ongoing debate about digital ethics, privacy rights, and the responsibility of social media users when sharing or consuming controversial content. The original Ibom Air incident has since seen major development, with the aviation minister announcing the withdrawal of criminal complaints against Comfort Emanson, leading to her release from prison and the lifting of a lifetime flying ban. What do you think about Father Iyoma's statement? Do you agree that there's a moral difference between accidentally seeing controversial content and deliberately rewatching it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this story interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to NaijaNews TV for more latest updates on trending Nigerian news. Ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest breaking news update. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates regarding Ibom Air case and other trending news stories affecting Nigeria today. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.